Hello, students. Welcome back for another exciting lesson. Before we get started, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for this channel by clicking that little tiny bell under the video frame. So last time we talked about the letter R. If you haven't seen that video yet, please watch that one before you watch this one. We went into detail about how to pronounce the R sound at the beginning of a word, the middle of a word, and at the end of a word. This lesson will focus on how to blend the letter R with other consonants, such as brother, dream, or friend. To make these sounds, position your tongue for the R sound as you begin to form the sound of whatever consonant you're using. We're going to practice blending the R sound with voiced and unvoiced letters. First, let's contrast pr and br. Position your tongue for R as you bring your lips together to make the pr sound. Remember, p is unvoiced. Follow me. Please repeat. Pr. Pretend. Pr. Prove. Pr. Print. Pr. Pry. Pr. President. Pr. Prime. Now, with the voiced br sound, blend it together. Br. Please repeat. Br. Bring. Br. Brother. Br. Brown. Br. Breathe. Br. Break. Great. Let's move on to the tr and dr sounds. First, tr. I want you to notice how when we blend the t and the r sound together in the American accent, we're actually making the ch sound. Notice how the ch sound is unvoiced. Ch. Follow me. Please repeat. Tr. Trees. Tr. Trade. Tr. Trouble. Tr. Train. Tr. Triangle. Now blending the dr sound. This time we'll actually be making the j sound. The consonant before the R is voiced. J. Please repeat. Dr. Drive-through. Dr. Dream. Dr. Draw. Dr. Drinking. Dr. Drama. All right, great. Moving on to the cr and gr sounds. I want you to take special care that the tip of your tongue is not touching any part of your mouth. At first, it may be difficult because to make the k sound, you have to raise the back of your tongue. Just make sure you aren't letting the tip of your tongue touch the top of your mouth. Okay, let's go. Cr. Crime. Cr. Crude. Cr. Crinkle. crazy, cream. Now, for the voiced gr, please repeat. Gr, great, gr, green, gr, grow, gr, grill, gr, ground. Okay, so you just got finished contrasting similar sounds that are voiced and unvoiced. Let's practice some blends that don't have a contrasting partner. They are fr, thr, shr, and str. Okay, let's do all of these blends one after another. Listen carefully and copy my voice. Friend, free, fry, frisbee, 3, throw, through, thrill, woot woot, shrew, shrimp, shred, shrink, street, straw, strong, strike. Okay, that was great. Please go back to the beginning of the video and practice these blends again. And tune in next time for some more practice with the letter R. That's all we have time for today. Thanks for watching.